Hello, everybody. This is Mr. Marketing and Mr. Cryptocurrency. How you doing today, Mr. Crypto?
I'm doing excellent. How about yourself?
Doing great, doing great. This is our second video of the day here. Our first video was just explaining what cryptocurrency is, what Bitcoin is, how it got started, and some of the important reasons why you want to get involved in the cryptocurrency industry. And so this video here is going to be explaining how to understand what they call Satoshi. And Clint will get a little bit more into that in a second. In our next video, I'll be showing you exactly how to get online and begin to purchase cryptocurrency so you can start investing, or trading, as well as using different coins for different platforms as here on the market. And so we're here with NoloCrypto.com and NoloCrypto.info. We're a brand new cryptocurrency business. We're getting ready to start a exchange and marketplace. And our niche in this marketplace is no fee and low fee cryptocurrency. What we're going to do is allow people the opportunity to buy, sell, and trade cryptocurrency with either no fees or extremely low fees, allowing each individual to keep more of their profits, more of their coins, versus those going to the different exchanges and things of that nature. So with that, I'll turn it over to Clint here so he can kind of explain how cryptocurrency is broken up in Satoshi. There you go, Clint.
Okay. There we go. Yeah. Basically, Satoshi is a unit of measurement. It's one millionth of a single Bitcoin. As the price of Bitcoin goes up, the dollar value of Bitcoin actually goes down. So in order for $1 used to equal 1 BTC, but as the price goes up to 100 to even 7,000 it is now, $1 is actually equal to 1,300 Satoshis. So it goes all the way down to this decimal place. So you wouldn't say 0.000 blank BTC. You would just start from the end decimal place and say 1,300 Satoshis, which is a simpler form of explaining how much currency that you have in the digital currency space. If we go to the next slide and we click on Bitcoin. It'll show us the conversion rate from US dollar to Bitcoin. So for instance, if I was to buy $100 Bitcoin, I will have 0.037 BTC, or 1,300,000 Satoshis. And even if I was to go to a smaller decimal place than that, let's say $10 and BTC. Let's say I wanted to buy something online for $10 in BTC. It would convert it into a smaller decimal place. I remember the first time I started to purchase Bitcoin, I bought 0.1 BTC, and it was around $500. And that same 0.1 BTC right now is worth over $700. So that's gives you a better understanding of Satoshi and converting US dollars into Bitcoins and BTC.
Absolutely. And I think this is probably the first thing that one will want to learn when dealing with cryptocurrency, because it's the measurement and how cryptocurrency is determined. And so it's a little bit different than what we understand in US dollars and how we've been taught to understand money. And a lot of times I hear people, talk and they say, well, how much is a Bitcoin? Well, right now, Bitcoin is, $7,200, a little over $7,200 for a Bitcoin. And so people say, well, I don't have $7,200. What if I don't have that much to invest? How do I buy Bitcoin? And so they don't understand that although one Bitcoin costs $7,200, you have the opportunity to purchase a portion of that Bitcoin. And that portion is broken up into Satoshi, the individual units of Satoshi. And so I've heard people refer to it in different manners. For instance, some people say 0.10 Satoshi. If it's closer to the decimal, I've heard people say 0.20 Satoshi. And then once it gets further away from the decimal point, then most of the time people refer to it as 1,300 Satoshi or 13,000 Satoshi or 356 Satoshi. So the further away from the decimal point, then people usually just say 500 Satoshi worth of Bitcoin. The closer to the decimal point, then people usually say 0.10 Satoshi, which is a little bit easier than saying 1,567 Satoshi. It's usually easier just to say 0.10 or 0.158 Satoshi. And so again, as Clint was saying, Satoshi is just the individual unit of a Bitcoin, just like a slice of pie. You can purchase obviously a whole pie, or you can purchase a portion of that pie. And that's what Satoshi are, is just a portion of the pie, a portion of a cryptocurrency, whether it be Bitcoin, Ether, or whatever. And so this site here, CoinGecko or CoinGecko, excellent resource that allows you to instantly go on there and convert different coins into their Satoshi value. And as you see here, it does have multiple coins. So sometimes you need to figure out how much is $500 worth of Ethereum, for example. And so whatever coin you wanted to find out that conversion rate, if you need to say, okay, $500 worth of Ethereum in US dollars, 500 US dollars is 1.5684 continuing on Satoshi. And so those numbers after the decimal can be anywhere from 8 to 18. And so you can break it up into that many different units. And so right now, the smallest unit that Bitcoin, for example, can be broken up into is 100 millionth of a Bitcoin. And so you can break up that Bitcoin into 100 million small pieces in order to sell that. So any other useful information you wanted to put out there about Satoshi, Mr. Crypto?
I mean, the name is actually derived from the creator of Bitcoin, Satoshi Nakamoto, and that's kind of where they got it from. And it's a unit of measurement.
Awesome. And with that, we're gonna call this video to a close. We're gonna have more videos coming soon. Again, if you haven't seen it yet, our first video was just giving an understanding of what cryptocurrency is, what Bitcoin is, and our next video will actually be explaining how to go in and buy your first cryptocurrency on different marketplaces, local Bitcoin, Coinbase, and things of that nature. And again, we're with NoloCrypto.com, NoloCrypto.info. We're a brand new company in the cryptocurrency industry. We do have other businesses in the industry, but we're getting ready to launch this exciting new exchange, marketplace, wallet, all in the one, nolocrypto.com. Make sure that you subscribe to our YouTube channel, as well as like us on Facebook so you get notifications for all of our videos and all of our updates, as well as go to our website, nolocrypto.info. Subscribe to our newsletter. That way you can stay in the loop of when we do our pre-ICO, as well as when we're going to launch our ICO as well. So we're excited here at Nolo Crypto, and we're just trying to provide useful information about the cryptocurrency and Bitcoin industry. And stay tuned for our next video coming up soon. So with that, I'll leave the parting words with Mr. Crypto Clint Guy here.
Yeah, I mean, have a nice day, and continue on and to educate yourself on the subject.
Absolutely.